Hello and welcome to this presentation showing a novel approach to binary classification using quantum machine learning and applied to noisy datasets. My name is Paul Griffin and I'm an associate professor at Singapore Management University. My co-researchers are Nikolaos Shitakis and David Agamalyan. Binary classification is used in many different areas. This is where we're looking to see whether the outcome is one or the other state. So for example, analysing a picture and asking the question, does this picture have a cat in it or not? Or maybe lending to a company or person and then looking at the likelihood whether they're going to pay back or they're going to default on their loan. So here we've taken a novel approach of combining classical neural networks with quantum classifiers. We have two quantum classifiers. We have a variational classifier called VC and then a data reuploading classifier DRC. These are combined into one unit. We found that this improves the classification accuracy and in particular the measure of the receiver operating curve and looking at the area under that curve. If you use binary classification for any of your work, particularly if it's noisy, we'd be very interested to hear from you. And also if you're a technology partner who is looking to implement quantum technology, especially for large data sets, then we'd also be interested to hearing from you. And here we can see some results. This is our ROC AUC against increasing noise. And the red line is our hybrid model, which is outperforming the other classifiers. Even at the higher levels of noise, it still has a good performance. This is a dataset we use, which has two features and two states, the grey and red. And if we look at the individual components across the noise, we can see that the DRC is picking out more of the details, whereas the VC is more stable. And as we combine these along with the classical neural network, we get our overall high performance. And here we can see the hybrid model learning the dataset. We have three features here and two classifications with the red and the blue. We can see the black outline of the predictions for the model. Here's our receiver operating curve with true positive rate vertical and false positive rate horizontal. And we're looking to try and maximize the area under this yellow line. This graph here is showing how the model is learning, so this is the area under the graph, and it increases quite rapidly to find a good solution and then tries to further optimize. So the dataset is input to the model. This model is a variational classifier with a data reuploader. Variational classifier has 2 bits in this case, 2 qubits, and we have 6 blocks of data reuploading running for 15 training epochs. So thank you for watching the presentation. If you do work with binary classification and would like to talk to us, please come to the booth. Also, if you're a technology provider looking to work with quantum machine learning, we'd also be interested